Alright, let's get into it. If you've been eyeing a serger but don't want to drop half a paycheck just to finish seams, this video is for you. Today we're counting down the best budget sergers under $200, based only on real specs, real user experiences, and real-world use, not hype. We're going from number 6 all the way to number 1, so stick around because the top picks might surprise you. Number 6. Vevor 336. Let's be honest, right from the start, the Vevor 336 is not your cozy hobby room serger. This thing feels more like it belongs in a garage, workshop, or small production setup. It's a 2, 3, and 4 thread machine, pushes up to 1,250 stitches per minute, and it does not mess around when it comes to speed. The upgraded differential feed actually does a solid job on stretch fabrics, and users consistently mention that it can chew through multiple layers of denim without crying for help. You also get a free arm, LED lighting, and a trim trap, which is nice at this price. That said, this is very much a know-what-you're-buying machine. Reviews mention electrical grounding concerns, minimal documentation, and quality control inconsistencies. Some people love it, some get a dud. It's powerful and fast, but not refined. If you're sealing bags, doing utility sewing, or want raw power on a tight budget, this can work. If you want a calm, beginner-friendly garment serger, keep watching. Number 5. Vevor FY505. This one is different. The Vevor FY505 steps things up with 2, 3, and 5 thread capability, which is rare under $200. That alone makes it stand out. It runs at about 1,250 SPM, has a 112-watt motor, and people use it for everything from denim to sandbags. And that's the key this machine shines in utility work, not fashion sewing. Users literally clamp it into a vise and run it like a bag closer. It pulls hard, feeds aggressively, and finishes edges fast. But again, we have to talk about reality. This is not a home garment serger. Reviews mention no proper grounding, limited support, missing documentation, and safety concerns if you don't know what you're doing. If you're a maker, small business owner, or need raw speed for rugged materials, this thing is a beast for the price. If you're sewing knits and dresses at home, skip it. Number 4. Feiyue FY505. Now, we're back into proper home serger territory. The Feiyue FY505 is a 2/3/4 thread metal frame serger that's actually very well respected for the price. It runs around 1,100 to 1,200 stitches per minute, uses a carbon steel cutting blade, and has one of the cleaner cutting actions in this category. Threading is genuinely beginner-friendly thanks to color-coded and numbered loopers, and many users say it's smoother and more stable than comparable Singer or Brother entry models. One big plus here is longevity. Multiple buyers mention a long warranty, and surprisingly good customer service when issues do come up. That's rare in this price range. Now, it's not perfect. The thread stand spacing can be tight for very large cones, the workspace under the arm feels cramped for some, and a few users report foot pedal issues or tension quirks. But overall, this is a balanced, well-built, no-nonsense serger that delivers clean seams without drama. For most home sewists, this is where things start getting really good. Number 3. Luminota 1250. This is one of the most popular budget sergers right now, and for good reason. The Luminota 1250 gives you 2, 3, and 4 thread stitching. 1,250 stitches per minute, a solid metal frame, differential feed, a free arm, and a built-in trim trap all in a compact package. Threading is straightforward thanks to the color-coded guides, and switching to rolled hems is quick with a simple lever. For garments, home decor, and everyday sewing, this machine does exactly what most people need. Users love how easy it is to thread and how stable it feels for the size. Stitch quality is clean, especially on knits and lightweight fabrics. Now the downsides, and you should know these. Some buyers report motor failures and tension inconsistency, and warranty coverage has been a concern in a few reviews. It's not industrial, and it's not whisper quiet. But if you're a beginner or hobbyist who wants a capable serger that doesn't take over your sewing room, this is a strong contender. Just buy from a seller with good return support. Number 2. Luminina Sienna. This is where things start feeling serious. The The Luminina Sienna is often described as a semi-industrial home serger, and once you see it in action, that makes sense. It's a 3 and 4 thread machine, runs around 1,250 SPM, and has a heavy all-metal frame that stays planted on the table. It cuts thick fabrics like denim and fleece with ease, and the larger cutting knife gives very clean, confident edges. Many experienced users say it has more power than typical household sergers, especially in this price range. Threading is color-coded and factory threaded, which helps beginners, but make no mistake, this machine is fast. Like, touch the pedal and it's gone fast. Some people love that, others find it intimidating. The biggest complaint? Customer support. Email-only contact, slow responses, and confusing oiling instructions come up again and again. Long-term reliability reviews are mixed. Still, if you want power, speed, and stability under $200 and you're comfortable learning your machine, the Luminina Sienna punches way above its price. Number 1. Millipunty MLDD42. And this is where everything comes together. The Millipunty MLDD42 earns the top spot because it balances power, usability, features, and value better than anything else on this list. It's a 2-3-4 thread serger, runs it up to 1,300 stitches per minute, has a full metal frame, differential feed, a free arm, rolled hems, and one of the most complete accessory kits you'll see at this price. Threading is color-coded and beginner-friendly. Stability is excellent thanks to the weight, and users consistently mention how smooth and controlled it feels, even on heavier fabrics like canvas. What really stands out is how well it works for both beginners and experienced sewists. New users love how approachable it is, while seasoned users appreciate the speed and stitch quality for the money. There are a couple of cautions. One report of a safety interlock issue, and a few experienced users felt the seam tension wasn't as aggressive as higher-end machines. But overall, feedback is overwhelmingly positive. For under $200, the MLDD42 feels like a machine that should cost more, and that's exactly why it takes the number 1 spot. Final thoughts. If you're shopping on a budget, the biggest mistake is buying the wrong type of serger. Some of these machines are utility beasts, some are home sewing workhorses, and some sit right in the sweet spot between the two. The key is matching the machine to what you actually sew. If you want a calm, reliable, all-around home serger, Millipunty MLDD42 is hard to beat. If you want raw power, Luminina Sienna brings it. If you want balanced value, Feiyue FY505 and Luminota 1250 deserve a look. Drop a comment and tell me what you're sewing: garments, bags, denim, knits, and I'll help you pick the right one. And if this helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.